Hey guys, it's Big Fox and today we'll be shooting fireworks part 2.
But
I don't want to hurt my finger, so I'm not doing these.
Okay.
I'm not doing those. I'm too little. I'm only 7.5.
How
old are you?
10.
Oh man, I'm 7.5.
Look at this.
You're 2 years.
I'm a
older.
black.
You're 3 years older than me.
So I get 2, you get 1.
I burnt my finger from the last one.
Cooking.
Cookie.
Logan, you might want to watch out. Oh, my finger doesn't feel that bad anymore.
Heck yeah.
Up in the air.
Ah! One hand. Shoot.
Shoot!
Shoot. I like trains. 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 All my trains are done.
Then point it down. Drop it.
Here you go, Logan.
Drop it like a hat.
This is Logan's. Here's,
Yeah, he only gets 1.
can I show?
No, it's me.
Oh,
And then
yeah.
it's yours. Yeah. I get 2. Remember?
Can I hold the camera all this time?
No.
Plus, I still don't think I got that one, but this time I'll get this one. I'll get this one.
Logan, can I film?
Hold on.
Can I film?
Hold on. Alright, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it again.
Out them for a minute. No, it's my phone. Little piggies like boom.
Okay, here, Ethan.
I want to film.
No, you ain't go ahead.
Yeah! We're gonna watch her do her fireworks.
Maddie, do you want us to do any more for us? Pick out ones that you might want to see.
Ethan, what?
Hey. Camera said,
On
hey.
part 3, I want to do this.
Up in the air.
Part 3, I want to do this one.
Okay.
So when we do part 3, I'm going to do this, okay?
No, let's do it in part 2 because part 2 would be short then. Oh, what was that?
Drop.
Ha! You only got 2.
Yep.
Minecraft just hates you.
Okay,
Yeah.
Oh, we got more. I get 2 and you. Yeah, wait. I get 2. Wait, how much is in there? 2? 4?
Look, guys, we're doing a part
Got
2.
8. Yeah.
Part 2.
You get 4. I get 4.
Woo!
No,
Yeah, that's
no.
I want to hold this.
Maddie. You gonna pick one that we're gonna light up?
No, we're going to do that on part 3. On part 3, we're going to
But part 2 is gonna be it's not gonna be good in
Just saying, okay.
Can we do one on part
Hold
2? Can we do one on part 2? Can we do silver or something?
No. I'm keeping all those until it.
Part 3?
Hi, everybody. We're gonna do one more of these because they're
This one?
mine.
Can
no,
we-
not this one. Here, I'm gonna look for
Leave
it.
hers alone. She don't want to do none of hers. You know that.
She just did one. That's silver bubbles. She
No, I didn't. I did that little.
let us do the silver bubbles.
No,
So
the
you
other
wanna
one.
pick one?
Sorry, guys. I don't think I want to do any more.
You gonna do any on part 3?
Yeah, I'm gonna do part 3. I'm gonna do these on part 3.
So there's gonna probably be a lot of parts on this.
Yeah, part 3 is gonna be awesome.
Well, after around the candles, we're just gonna hang out, you know.
Yeah, we're just gonna do these and stuff.
Stuff.
Who's in?
Me! I get 4, he gets 4. Not recording me, so. You like trains?
Okay, I'm going back here.
I believe you like trains, right?
Yep. So Ethan's doing it. Okay,
Fine, I'm fine with that. Now we need
high up. There we go.
Who let the dogs out?
Ooh.
Dogs out! Woo! Hey, like Manara.
Okay,
Nope.
I know.
Do 3 more.
There's 3 ready.
I'm not doing this because I'm not
You do
old
4.
enough. I'm
And
only
I
7
you do
and a
4
half.
and I do.
I'm 7.5 and I don't want to hurt my finger again.
That's right.
I've already had one finger hurt.
What does the fox say? A bee bit my finger, stung my finger, so I had to open you.
Gosh, that scared me.
Oh, that one went high like a butterfly.
Set a tree on fire!
Oh, that one do it. Hopes and dreams.
Out, I guess.
Drop. Hey, like my name.
You have to put it down and in.
Here you go, Ethan.
Down, up, down, up, down, up.
Wait, we both get to do 4?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold these for them. I'm holding these for them. I'm holding them. I give them
Big
to them.
Logan's not a cool kid.
Here, guys, I
Hey.
give you guys these. Hey, everybody, I'm giving them these.
All right, those are mine. The 4 are mine.
That's fine.
You
I
get
get
to
one
give
more,
one
right?
more to Ethan.
Right there, I get one more.
Yeah.
Where did that one go?
Nobody knows.
One more.
One more, chaps.
Here, Ethan.
I'm gonna go.
Now there's only
4. I'm gonna do 4.
no. Yeah.
Dad, is this how we're gonna do this episode?
No, we might do other things. We might do sparklers.
Who won that trick before? Has anybody seen that game?
What?
Oh, that.
Whoa.
Oh. Drop.
What
Okay,
the
Ethan.
really cool tricks was
Ethan,
part 2.
hold this. Do you want me to light yours on?
Part 2 is gonna be awesome.
This is part 2.
We're gonna do part- we're gonna do this.
No, Maddie, we're not doing that in part 2. We're gonna
Relax.
you wanna do some of yours? We're gonna do part 3. Like,
We're gonna do it on part 3 when it gets dark.
we might. Well, it is dark. It's pretty dark.
No, we're waiting until black.
Oh, I'm gonna light yours.
We're waiting until it's
You gotta be a
full
big boy.
people. We're just gonna. Thank you for buying all these.
You're welcome.
They're awesome. I
You're welcome. It was all my YouTube money, you know. Oh God, I missed that one.
What scares me?
Pocket. Oh.
It's like they're not gonna even go.
Let me give
No,
it.
this one's free.
I know. Let me give it to him.
For Logan.
You won't be in a video. I'll edit you out.
Okay, okay, okay. I'll hand them to you.
Oh. No, I'm dumb. This is how you do it. Oh God.
This one, I'm gonna do this one. This is gonna be mine, I'm doing.
Oh God, that thing almost, you know.
I know the
Said my name is Jeff.
Don't burn me. I learned.
My name is Jeff.
I learned.
My name is Jeff.
Why?
My name is Jeff. This is Go Master.
I can do.
It's through the fire. Oh, right?
Thank you for buying so many of these.
Hold on, wait for
Wait, I want to be in the video.
You are in a video.
Hey,
Dad, are we doing anything else? Like fireworks is?
Chinese.
Oh, so much time. Bubbles about to come out here. We're gonna bring the big ones out here. The ones you cannot do, but you can only watch. The bomb.
Can I just do one and then just
The big
run?
bomb.
Can I just do one and then a run?
Maybe.
Dun-dun.
No.
No, let me do a red ball of steel. Red ball of steel. Maddie,
Tiny ones.
Maddie, do you want to do any of yours on part 3? Like,
Yeah, I'm doing this on part 2.
I didn't miss.
Time to do, Maddie. It's getting dark already.
Yeah, Maddie.
No, wait
Wait, no.
until like all the sun goes down.
No, Maddie, because most of you we're not gonna be able to see them,
Okay.
so we gotta do it fast. You wanna do it now? See this?
Well, after Logan.
Okay, so you're gonna do your gun right now.
No, nope, I'm gonna wait.
No. I'm gonna record you. You want me to record you doing your gun? Do your gun.
Boom, boom. Wait, we're gonna wait for Logan.
Shoot him.
Logan, let me shoot you.
Yeah, let her shoot you. Huh, did that hurt you?
Yeah, we got it.
That looked like it hurt. It didn't.
What the heck? They didn't even come out. Like, it's real cool.
Oh, pay attention. Always pay attention to your men. Oh, if that hit the cop car, I'd be like, oh, my name is Jeff. My name is Jeff, cops. My name is Jeff. My name is Jeff.
Whoa.
My name is Jeff.
Finale. It'll be the grand finale.
Are we doing yours now, Maddie?
Yes!
We're doing yours? Doing
Wait,
it?
say,
That's mine, Maddie.
this
That's
one
not
looks like
grand
mine.
finale. This is
I don't have one.
this is
No,
grand
this one's
finale.
mine.
Maddie, that's mine.
No, it isn't.
Dad, is that ours?
No, it's Maddie.
No, that's ours.
Maddie wants to pop it.
I had one of these.
Maddie wants to just watch you pop yours.
Maddie.
Look at this is yours though.
Oh yeah, guys, we got a bee. We'll record this. Watch out. We got a bee.
Confetti.
I'm a black.
Oh yeah, confetti.
I'm gonna sit down.
Oh yeah, confetti.
Oh, no,
No,
but
no.
I'm over
She's
here.
on the truck.
she's not being a cool kid.
Stop it. Oh, sprinklers.
You little kid.
Hey.
We're not doing Maddie. We ain't doing one Maddie.
We did one of Maddie's, if you know for a fact.
Ethan,
What?
I'll give you fireworks I want to do.
Stinging like a bee. Look up. Point up. Up. Into the sky. Oh my God!
I know.
Baby, a triple these are all.
Oh God.
I'm gonna be the Brandon Jason. I'm gonna be like, shh, shh. Hey, Maddie, what one do you want us to do? That one? Yeah! That's the grand finale.
Can we do this last?
No. This is gonna be the end of the video.
No, I want to. Wait, then we'll go to part 3? Okay.
Wait, no, let's do more. So, I need a place in a good spot.
Can you like this so fast? Here, let me hold the end of it. Let me just hold the end. Hurry.
Maddie,
No,
what are you doing?
it won't work.
Picking it up, picking it up.
Go.
I did.
Do it.
It's this thing.
All right, let's see it.
I want to do it.
Mom wants to see.
Bumblebee. It might go in the sky. Nope. It's one of them. Maddie, you gonna do any more of this episode? Maddie, you gonna do that one this episode?
Yeah. I gotta get ready.
I know, let me place it in. Because I know a good place to place it. This is gonna be another one, Logan.
What? Oh yeah.
Maddie's gonna give us another.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the tape off though. And whatever, you're gonna slide with tape on. Who cares? I will burn the tape off.
Woo! You almost got burnt.
Oh, burn
I
the
don't care.
tape off. Who cares?
Ah!
I think he wanted to get burned. He was trying to burn.
Cha cha cha! Ha ha ha!
I think he was trying to burn himself.
If you ever flew like a butterfly. Maddie, you wanna end just because episode 3 we're doing a big boys. So you know just
big
do all
boys.
on this episode. Can I pick the next one, please?
No, I want to do it.
Yeah, how you doing?
We do it all the time.
Well, Maddie placed it. That's why.
Okay, are we good?
Maddie, come here. Because my mom wants to see it. So put it must see right here, maybe. Yeah. Dad,
Hey, Heidi, now you might be able to see mine.
right. This one comes this way, right? Up. Hey, record this recorder, man.
I'm watching.
Mom, I got a big basket.
Whoa!
You're trying to kill me.
Maddie, you want to do any more?
Yeah, we're doing
Can you
that
hold
one.
this?
Wait.
I know.
Oh, this will be our last one to do. This
Yes.
time. Tank?
Yes.
Oh, wait. Before this one. That would be awesome, right?
Let's do. No, the tank ain't that good.
Thank you, Yolanda.
No, put it on right here.
Now you can see mine. They're all mine that we're doing right now. Other ones.
Whoa!
Shoot them. I went. This is a big one for finale.
Yeah, finale.
I gotta open this.
Let me do it for you.
No, I got it. I rip stuff open.
Am I your good cousin?
Yes.
Some maybe. No, don't care.
Yeah.
Don't.
Just come out.
Hunt don't have a life. Hey,
No, I
he
don't
wants
think you
one.
take that
He
out.
wants one.
Just take this off.
Can you?
Who cares about it?
One of those, we'll make you start lighting all
Oh, man.
of them. One at a time.
Oh, my gosh.
I think you messed it up.
No, that's pretty good.
You know, just play with this one. Just
I guess we just light it and throw it, I guess, now.
Somebody just like this and throw it. Are you gonna like this and just throw it? Here, it's like.
You like that?
Whoa! Quit freaking pointing it at me.
Here, I'll take it.
Yeah, grab another one and light it off.
Oh, I already have one.
I'm trying to do a YouTube video. Dang, you were.
Light it off of there. Keep going. Don't until they're all gone.
Nope, I'm doing a YouTube video.
Keep lighting them off.
No,
What is this?
Doesn't matter.
no, I'm doing them.
Where's the box?
Here,
Here's this.
Where's the box? That's fixing to
here,
go?
Maddie, Maddie,
Matt.
Maddie.
I can't read. I can't get it. Ow, ow. No, that's not.
Don't.
I can't see
Keep
it.
lighting them.
Can you hold it? I can't see where it is.
Hold that.
No, I
Hold
want
the pink right now.
Can you hold it? I don't want to burn myself.
Well, it's gonna run out.
Are you trying to sit down fine? I'm getting one of the metal ones.
No, I do them. Oh my God, do you have a light? I'm trying to do this.
I do metal. I do metal.
Why are you doing them both?
Come on. Logan, look at that. That looks awesome.
Ah, I just burned the table. Then try to kill me.
Look, this is next. Whoa!
Hey, you started it. Give me. You can put it anywhere now. It has anywhere else. Put it anywhere. There's another one in there.
This purple's not going.
He's doing one grab.
Keep lighting them.
I gave it a hug.
I didn't want to burn myself. I got this because I would burn myself.
Ethan, can I try light this one?
I like metals.
Yeah, you can like that
We're
one.
waiting for that one to
Can
stop.
you hold this so I can do it? Here, I'm gonna light it.
Here, go put it.
When that thing turned red, you better run. No, Maddie, no, not close. Not close to the place. You're bad.
Hey, that's where I sit.
You sit right here.
It's near my. No, he said I'm sitting near my stuff.
Here you go.
Sitting near my stuff.
Here you go, Maddie.
Can I shoot at you?
No, shoot it at him.
Hey,
She wants to shoot you.
Shoot me.
Maddie,
Maddie, right here.
Maddie, you want to do this? Those are your poppers things.
I wanna wait. Hold on, can I have my stuff?
Black snakes. That's a snake.
The black snakes are really cool.
Remember the girl?
How do I open it? I thought I was gonna come towards us.
One of them hit me in the leg.
Here you go. I'm recording. Grand finale.
Hey, no, it ain't grand finale.
Oh.
We're doing the snake, Maddie.
I opened it.
Put the snake right here somewhere because it won't explode.
You wanna like the snake?
Yeah, I want my snakey.
Like the snake.
No.
Yes, we need you to like the snake.
Yeah, we're doing a
Dad,
snake.
come here now.
Lighting snakes.
Snakes.
Really low.
That's a bad idea.
Here's our grand finale of mine.
Yeah, I'm gonna like that grand finale like you and then. I'm gonna be like I like trains, y'all. No, I don't like trains no more.
Oh, Silver
We
Rain.
need you to like this one.
Let's see it.
It's gonna be on foot.
I'm not doing this one yet. It's grand finale.
Hey, so you're gonna drop it right here, okay? And don't point it before.
Yay!
I'm going to see where he drops it.
Yeah. Hurry up.
I'm ripping some of this off because it's not working.
Is it working? See, snake's coming out. Oh, that's. If y'all see it, there should be a snake coming out, y'all. Hey, get that wire!
What is the turn? Like,
We don't like fire.
never mind.
Well, I don't. Looks like a pile of poo.
Yeah. Oh. Ugh, yeah, I can see
Oh,
that.
yeah. We're not doing grand finale yet.
Ew.
This one's
Okay, now it's going crazy. It's going crazy.
I have this one.
Oh, look at that. Maddie, look.
I'm so
It looks like poop.
I know.
We're gonna set it off.
It's non-stopping.
Okay, who cares? I'll just step on it.
It's a piece of business. It's business.
Step on it, boys.
It's business.
Oh, that was easy. So and we killed the snake. That's how you kill snakes in real life. Hey, so, Maddie, give me. Place it down. Take a.
Dad's trying to break this.
Oh God. Hey, boys.
Hi, Dada. Oh, I thought you were done. Hi, come to me. We're watching this. We're doing mine. This will be our grand finale of mine. Silver Rain. Silver Rain is from Vanilla now.
Do you think Silver Rain will be the most?
Did you get burned?
No.
You got hit?
No.
I got hit in the leg.
I was scared.
You do it.
Come here. I want to open.
What happened? What was that thing?
Oh god, that scared me half to death. It was one of them crying things. They're awesome. What is it?
I just said it was a black cat.
Don't take the thing out.
No.
What?
Oh gosh.
Here you go. Ruin these.
Yeah,
Ah!
We're doing a little.
We're in the grand finale.
that was nothing.
We're
That's
done.
Maddie. That was her thing. That thing was loud, wasn't it?
It's 8:50. Okay. I was just seeing what time it was too.
We ain't got no more after this. They're fixing to clean up after this last one. They're gonna put all that shit in the bag.
We'll have one more. Maddie, where's the firework?
They got one more. And we got a lot inside.
Mom, get Papa so he can see this one. He can see the big ones. He likes the big ones. Recording this?
Mhm.
I'm gonna come later.